Today's an exciting day. We're about to go pick up a bike for 50 quid. See how this goes. Oh baby.
Follow my Instagram at Roy_Connor for mad shit like BMW power Volvos.
Cool. Okay, so the bike is back at the garage. So this bike's sold at a tax disc. Lots of noise. Very loud. Right, it's recording this time. Nice. Right. Welcome, bikers of the internet. Congratulations on finding the best channel on YouTube for motorcycle stuff related content. Here we have Kawasaki GPZ500S. Well, what's left of it? Half of it's kind of missing. It's to be delivered. So, this series is called Buy, Sell, Make Money. Wait, what did I say before? The last take. Buy, sell, make money. Was it that? Did I just say that? So this bike was what? 50 quid. Bargain, right? Well, you're not exactly going to get it for 50 quid. I got it off a mate. So, you know, like mates rates and that. It does come with its issues. What's wrong with it, you may ask? It's best just to show you. Let's have a look. So what's the first problem? This hole. Yeah, let's show that on camera. Basically there's no ignition. Was this an attempted theft? Maybe. It's cracked as well. This is the ignition cables, I think. They are not connected, so I cannot start the bike. So I don't know if it runs yet. And as well, look at the alignment on this. That's not good. So potential bent forks from when they tried to steal it, I guess. It shows signs of age, but I mean the bike's from 1997. It's 1 year older than me, what'd you think of that? Crazy. A little bit rusty as well. We're gonna see if they can fix that. Make this bike look nice enough to sell, make some money. I don't think we'll be making a loss, at least. See if I can put you back home. Are you safe? You're not gonna fall. I managed to find a new yoke, new ignition for the bike. Got a bargain on that, sweet deal, so. Anyway, progress, let's go. Who the heck rats tails a tank into a bike? Oh, that's like...
Watch that, I'll drop
I
through.
know, I was looking at it, I was like...
I'll just run through. Right, stick it on charge.
Ah. The front wheels are not aligned either.
Sorry?
The front wheels not aligned.
Definitely been dropped.
I thought it was the mudguard at first that was squint.
That's the wheel. Give me a second. Go and lean on the back of the wheel. Just to take the weight off the front, yeah. Yeah, I think the fork's bent.
Class.
It's straight in a ball, but... Okay, so that's something to worry about for later.
Right, so dismantling time. First we got the goodie box. This all arrived yesterday. So we've got the new top yoke with an actual ignition. We've got the new full key system, which is good.
Just the leverage.
Look, these are my new handlebars. These are the old ones. They're broken, man. Who needs to go to the gym when you can take apart a 20-something year old bike? Jeez. Jeez. So that small crack on top is huge, it's right underneath. It's cracked all the way along here. Just checking the uploads. All good. Right, so since the forks are probably squint, may as well take the time while this is all off to just strip the front off. So what have we got? Take the mirrors off first, I guess. Well, oops. One mirror off. Do these just pull out?
Yes, they just pull out.
I've not seen these before. But see that this side,
Hmm.
the indicator, there's a wire here that's been pulled. I don't know where it goes. Is that one? It goes. No, it's in this bunch here.
Fucking weird. I've never seen that before in my life. Is it black?
Yeah.
It's probably just the earth. Why it's gone all the way back through here, I don't know. Again,
Is this?
this is somebody else wiring something else up. Why that's gone all the way back to there, I don't know. You cut it there, right? This breaks off, wheel out, once you prop up the engine, and then pull out the forks.
The indicators. I don't know what the hell is up the indicators. They had like a random wire. This random ass wire that goes all the way back. Goes all the way to like the battery for some reason. That was attached to one of the indicators, but yeah, I'm gonna need new indicators anyway. These ones look so bad. Where the hell I'll put them? Look at this. There's my indicators. There for the bin. That's just great news. Look what came in the post. Spark plugs, we got them. So, right, so we got manual. Gonna read this. Trusty Haynes manual. So what's the first thing to do? Disconnect this speedometer. Put gloves on because this thing is dirty as man. Is that it? Damn. Next step. Remove not left hand side. Jeez, man. I have to do the big one. This is the biggest size. 10. No.
Tengo otro hoe, quieren ser como yo. Ser poco yo, hay pocos como yo. Tengo otro hoe, quieren ser como yo. Ser poco yo.
Recording? Nice. Hello fellow bikers of the internet. Welcome to the best channel of 2020. Fuck.